Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, which is video number 3 on binomial distribution, we will look at the application of binomial distribution on two-stage questions. So these are mostly considered as a tricky questions. In earlier videos, you can see the definition of binomial, what it is, what are the conditions in which it is applied, and how to calculate the probability. And these are the two QR codes. You can scan it to watch more videos on P1 and S1. And in the comment, you can request for any explanation of any question or concept. You're most welcome. So let's see the question here. There are two questions in this video. One I will solve step by step with you. And second question is for your test to understand how much you understood the topic. And then I will show you the working, which I have already solved here. Okay, so now let's see here in this question, the Fair Coke company makes small chocolate eggs. Always highlight the key points in the question. 48% of which are milk chocolate egg and the remaining are plain chocolate egg, right? And these are mixed and then packed in the boxes. And in each box there are 12 eggs. So situation is all clear. We are wrapping them in identical foil wrapping. Now there are two parts. One part is that a box is chosen, one box. You have to show the probability that the box contains exactly 6 milk chocolate egg is 0.223. Because the eggs are mixed after wrapping in the identical foil. Now nobody knows how many are plain chocolate and how many are milk chocolate. So you have to find the probability that there are 6 milk chocolate eggs. So first of all, you have to give the name to the variable. So let x be the number of milk chocolate eggs in a box of 12 chocolate eggs, right? So now the binomial distribution in this case will become what? I have written the formula and general formula here on the right hand side. So there are 12 eggs because we are talking with respect to eggs, that how many are milk chocolate in it. So the probability of milk chocolate is 0.48. And we are finding out that exactly six milk chocolate eggs are in that box. So this is the question. So straight away I will apply the formula, which is here you can see on the right hand side. So it is 12C6. 0.48 is my probability of success. And 0.48 minus 1 minus this will be 0.52. 0.52 and 12 minus 6 is 6. So both will have power 6 here. Now let me check in the calculator. So it is 0.2234 because we give final answer in 3 significant figure. So I will write 0.223, right? Now next part, second part of the question is, the manager takes a random sample of 10 boxes of eggs. Now he's picking up 10 boxes from the production line. Find the probability that at least 2 of these boxes contain exactly 6 milk chocolate eggs. So earlier it was a box and you had to see eggs in it. Now you have to pick up the boxes and you have to see that out of 10 boxes, how many, at least 2 boxes have 6 milk chocolate. So what is your probability here? I mean, proportion of success here. So in this case, let y be the number of boxes that contain exactly 6 milk chocolate in a random sample of 10 boxes. So this time your distribution will be, n is your 10 now, okay? And your p is what? Yes, you are right, 0.2234. Please write up till 4 or 5 decimal places here. Do not write the rounded off value. And I have to find out here exactly 2 boxes, right? This is at least, sorry. So at least 6 boxes. This was the question here, you can see here. At least 2 of these boxes. So this I have to calculate. So now this is equivalent to, because you see, total are 10 boxes. I can solve it like this also. That is 2, 3, 4, up till 10. But it will be very time consuming, right? Not wrong, but time consuming. So what is easy here? That I minus from 1. 1 is 100% probability. So I will take the x is less than 2. And this is equals to what? 1 minus probability of x equals to 0 and 1. Yes or no? So now this will be easy. Less calculation is required here. So you can write here n is your now 10, c 0, okay, and p is your 0.2234, which is 0. What is 1 minus 0.2234? Let's check in the calculator quickly. 0.7765, right? So then it will be 0.7765. 10 minus 0 is 10 plus 10c1. Now because of this one, again p 0.2234 power 1, 0.7765. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now very carefully use the calculator so that no error. Mostly error happens here. So you can calculate these values separately and add them up. So it will be 0.30925. If you want to show the working of this part separately and this separately, it's good. And then add up. I have done it together. No difference. So this is equals to 0.69074. Because we give answer in 3 significant figure, so it is equals to 0.691. I hope you understood this question. Now I'm giving you one question that is test for your understanding. So here is a question. It is from March 22, variant 5.2. So you can put the video on pause and I'll show you the solution. You can try it out yourself first. And I think I'll explain a bit once I will show you the solution. So I hope you people have tried now. So let's see. First of all, part 1. Okay, by the way, in this question, they're talking about rain more than 10 centimeter, right? And the probability that it will happen more than 10 centimeter is this 0.18 on any particular day. Whereas in part 1, you have to find out that 7-day period is taken and more than 2 days the rain happened more than 10 centimeter. So this is the probability you have to calculate. So distribution is very important to write. For example, you are writing distribution, then what is the question asked, and show every step. So this is the probability. Now second question is tricky. Actually this question was tricky. If you read the examiner report, you will find that many students messed up here. For 3 randomly chosen 6 days period, find the probability that exactly 2 of these periods have at least 1 day rain which is more than 10 centimeter. So this part and this part need this probability. So first of all, you will calculate the probability for at least 1 day which is more than 10 centimeter of rain in a 7-day period. So this is what is supposed to be done. Using the same distribution, but you are calculating probability that at least 1, right? The rain happened more than 10 centimeter. Now this is the probability when it is at least 1 day happened more than 10 centimeter. Now out of 3 days, exactly 2 days probability you have to calculate. And that's why now your distribution will change. Because out of 3 days, 2 days, this was the what? Probability, right? So now you will calculate the probability for that, and here you will get your answer. So I hope those who have done it correctly or those who have made mistake can make a correction here. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. In the next video, we will see the question